Today is October 16th, Thursday, 2025. Here's today's updated 2-week weather forecast for DFW metroplex. Today, Thursday, and Friday brings partly clouds to sunny skies, with 0 to 20% chances for rain. Highs from 85 to 88 degrees. Saturday brings morning thunderstorms with 100% chance of rain. Highs near 90 degrees. Next week, Sunday through Wednesday, brings sunny skies and dry, with no chances for rain. Highs from 77 to 83 degrees. Thursday and Friday brings partly cloudy skies with a 20% chance of rain. Highs from 79 to 80 degrees. Saturday and Sunday turns sunny and dry. Highs near 79 and 80 degrees. The following week, Monday through Thursday, brings rain showers and thunderstorms. Highs from 79 to 73 degrees, with a 60 to 100% chances for rain. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to help more people stay ahead of the weather. And I'll see you next time on Science Weather Watch.